Hey guys, Profile Pop-Up here, 214, can you believe it? I want to get into the power again of hashtag O&O. Why? Because I was asked for this Profile Pop-Up, how do you get found by recruiters? I'm going to show you how to do it in one word. Let's back out here. I'm getting ahead of myself. If I go here and I'm looking for someone who's in immunology. So that was a preview of who's coming here, guys. But look, with immunology, almost 400,000 results. Now, if I just go out here and I do the typical add a hashtag O&O or just add O&O, be careful because I'm finding it in the name, I'm finding it in the headline potentially, and in the company. It's not what you want. And I'm going to tell you too that if you put quotes around it, a single quote, it's not going to be enough. So there's what this looks like here. Same kind of thing is happening. And, even if I do the hashtag in there, it's not going to be enough with the single quotes. So what you need, guys, and I'm showing you here just so everybody's very clear, you need the double quotes with a hashtag. It's because of that hashtag that this doesn't work. And when I do that, she comes up in the top 3 results. Now I want to show you the power of hashtag O&O. Down to 180, she's in the top 3 globally. You notice when I went back to my search based on immunology alone, I got people that were in my area, right? Starting with Madison, because that's my area. But when you do it that way, you've got a huge, huge power of the hashtag O&O and about getting more concrete in your keywords. So if I also do this, watch this. If I know that her location, because a lot of recruiters are actually going to look at the location, and if I say the Brussels area in Belgium, which I saw that she has, and I imply that, she is the only one, guys. Her skill is what was found, and she's the only one with hashtag O&O, and it's because she had the skill here, and probably also in the headline and in her summary and other areas, of course, she's got immunology, but in her actual headline at the end, she has hashtag O&O. So you tell me that hashtag O&O does not help you get found, and the stuff I'm hearing from recruiters, some recruiters, I got to say some recruiters, say that it looks desperate. Yeah, take a look at her profile. Look at the About section. I'm a scientist with a passion for contributing to the betterment of global public health. Okay, that's not just some flighty statement that she's making. Okay, this is real. Experience managing infectious disease research projects. Contributions have led to multiple NIH-funded grants and publications in peer-reviewed journals. Productive, working, major skills. You take a look at what she has, and by the way, this is a little tip. You're going to want to make sure you take these publications. I would list them right up front. But even the intro you have right there makes me think, ooh, I want to go see what those publications are, right? So wonderful. I mean, this is backed up. This is art and science, guys. This is drawing me in with a bit of the art, saying what you're passionate about, and then backing it up with some science. The fact that you've got these projects. And, get more of the keywords in here. This is one of the prime areas in your About section, your summary section. And then if you look at her current position, she does have a current position. If she didn't, she wouldn't be getting found at all. I probably wouldn't be finding her. So she has the wonderful characteristics, the needed characteristics of a great profile. Here she is. She's listing a project, talking about all sorts of details and words that I don't even know. And here again, she's got projects and what it led to and the money that was there. You might want to pop up those dollar amounts up here to show that this is what it led to. And same kind of thing. When I look at education, I see the $10,000. That jumps out at me. Makes me want to look at this more. And then I realize, wow, Dean's Distinguished Fellowship, when you got your PhD, you just finished it. These are things that recruiters are going to be looking for, guys. And she's got it. She's got it all. So you can't tell me that hashtag O&O looks desperate. You can't tell me it doesn't work. It's working. Okay, she's got skills. She might add a few more. She did a great job with fixing her URL. But I would suggest also, Hashini, that get rid of the competition. Because right now you are looking for a job you don't want to give away and have someone else go somewhere else. So if you want to know more about that, let me know in the comments. What do you think, guys? Does hashtag O&O work? I think it does. Let me know. Thanks. Bye.